In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell candles on Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned candle maker looking to expand your business or a beginner excited to turn your hobby into a profitable venture, these steps will guide you through setting up and optimizing your Shopify store for selling candles. First, let's start by setting up your Shopify account. If you haven't done so already, head over to the Shopify website and click on the Start Free Trial button. Here, you'll fill in your email address, create a secure password, and choose a relevant store name. This process is straightforward, and it will give you access to explore Shopify's features for free over 14 days. Once your account is set up, you're ready to move on to the fun part: designing your store. Shopify offers a wide range of themes, both free and paid. Choose a theme that reflects the aesthetic of your candle brand. If your candles have a rustic, homemade feel, you might opt for a theme that's clean and minimalistic. For something a little more luxurious, go for themes that accentuate high-quality imagery and rich colors. Remember, first impressions matter a lot, so make sure your store's design aligns with the brand message you want to convey. Now, it's time to add your candles to the store. Click on the Products section from your Shopify admin dashboard. Here, you will input detailed information about each candle, such as the name, description, price, and of course, high-quality images. A tip here is to write detailed, engaging product descriptions that not only describe the features of the candles but also paint a picture of the experience or mood they create when used. Don't forget to set the right price that covers your production costs while remaining attractive to your target market. After your products are up, ensure you configure your payment settings. Shopify supports various payment methods including Shopify Payments, PayPal, and many credit cards. Navigating to the Payment Providers section in Settings will allow you to choose the best payment options for your customers, ensuring a smooth checkout experience. Shipping is another crucial aspect to consider. Under the Shipping and Delivery section in your settings, decide how you want to handle your shipping rates. Offering free shipping can be a great incentive for customers, but make sure your product prices can accommodate this. Alternatively, you could set calculated rates based on your customer's location. Finally, before going live, test everything thoroughly. Make a purchase yourself, check how products are displayed, and ensure every button works as intended. You might also use Shopify's Abandoned Checkout feature to see if there are any common issues in the customer journey. Once satisfied, it's time to launch. Share the news on social media, send an email to your subscribers, and let everyone know your candle store is open for business. That's the setup done. As you continue, analyze your sales data using Shopify's analytics tools and adjust your strategies as necessary to optimize sales. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new online candle business.